Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is the card I've got for you today. Sorry about the glare, but it's a little shaker card as you can see. So let's get started. This is using product from the new Autumn Winter catalogue. So we've got a card base here of Night of Navy. It's a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. Then I've got a piece of designer series paper, and this is from the stack that's called Feels Like Frost, and this is one of the 6x6 inches stack, and I've cut it down just to 14.35 centimeters by 10 centimeters. Okay, and then I've got a scrap of Night of Navy. So let me show you the stamp set we're going to be using today, and it's called Still Scenes, and we're going to be using the greeting that says Season's Greetings, and this comes with the matching framelets, dies I should say. Here you go, sorry about the glare, and you can buy the two together obviously as a bundle and save 10%. Okay, so we are going to emboss our piece of Night of Navy, so I'm going to get my embossing buddy out here and just wipe it across my cardstock so that there won't be any static when I stamp. Just put that away so the powder doesn't get everywhere. And then we're going to be using Versamark ink. So let's just ink up my stamp, get it nice and sticky. Okay, and then using my grid paper I'm going to stamp sort of in the centre as much as possible. Lovely. Okay, and then we're going to emboss this using our white embossing powder, and I'm just going to be working here over a coffee filter so I can sort of try if possible and contain the mess. Weak. Making careful, trying not to put my fingers into the stamped area. Okay, I've got a little bit there, so I'm just gonna, yeah, that looks fine. Okay, so look, put the powder away before I close up the bottle would be useful, or how? Let's see if I can put this away without making too much mess. I try very hard. Hey, that is amazing. Normally I get powder everywhere, absolutely everywhere. So now I'm just going to heat emboss that with my heat gun, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I heat embossed that, and then I just cut the sentiment down a little bit with my trimmer. And while I was away as well, I took our designer series piece of paper, and using this die here, I just cut, as you can see here, a hole for our shaker piece. Okay, so now what I remember about it, I'm going to put adhesive on the back of our piece of cardstock, and isn't it beautiful? It's all foiled on the back as well. It's really lovely designer series paper. So I'm just going to put some tear and tape, because once we put the shaker dome on it becomes difficult to get adhesive on the back of our cardstock, because the dome is obviously domed. So this is much easier to do it right now. Okay. Okay, and now I'm just going to burnish that down, because tear and tape is a pressure adhesive, and so if you burnish it, it's going to stick much better, and it's much easier to get the backing piece off. So just go ahead and give that a good push down. Okay, now haven't chucked away the little bit we cut out from the centre because we're going to need that as well. So I'm just, for this one I'm just going to use some snail. Okay, and now I'm just going to place this on the card where I think I want it to go, and then, like a jigsaw puzzle, I'm just going to place this piece back in the hole it made. Okay, and then I'm just going to use a pencil, if I can find one, that is. Sorry about the noise. And I'm just going to make a little pencil mark here so I know where it went. I can just rub that out later. Okay, so that's what we have so far. So now we're going to take our piece of designer series paper and we're going to take our shaker dome and we're just going to make sure it fits nicely in, which it does beautifully like that. So now I can see I'm going to need to take some of the tape off the top here and here because it's going to merge with the shaker, and then the shaker dome actually has adhesive already on it here. You just peel it off like that, and again you're just going to fit your dome through the hole that you've cut, and so that's stuck down. So now we're ready to fill the center of our dome, and I'm actually going to fill the center. I'm going to put them actually here. Sorry about the mess here. I actually had to tear this piece up because I put it on the wrong way around. So you see, all of us make mistakes, but they're fixable. So I'm going to be using some sequins here, and these are the woven thread sequins. So I've added the woven thread sequins and I've added the snowflake sequins there, and I'm going to just make sure they're in the center of my piece of paper so they don't interfere with the adhesive. And now I'm going to take the adhesive off the back of the shaker dome. There we go, and also all this tear and tape as well, the backings of the tear and tape. Whoops. Yep, I've got everything off. So now, whoops, I just want to see if I can line up. Sorry if my head gets in the camera, but I need to see if I can line up my dome with my cut out piece, all the while trying to keep everything as straight as possible. It'll do. So there we have it. Not too bad. Now I am going to take my bone folder, which I stupidly put away, and I'm going to burnish just around the edge here and all over it actually, just to make sure it's well stuck down. Before I start to shake. There you go. There you can see the shaker element. Okay, so now let's bring back our sentiment, and we're going to just put this on some dimensionals. Pop this up on dimensionals. Whoopsie daisy, everything's sticking to me today. And then we're just going to put that there. Now on this one I did put a few extra snowflakes, but it's up to you. You can do that. I don't think I'm going to do it on this one, but there you go. That's the one we just made. That's the one I made earlier. So thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd be appreciated if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you're alerted to future videos. I do have a Facebook group I started called All Things Crafty, Crafty with Ushi. So all the links to everything will be in the description box below, so have a look and do join us there. Thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!